PayPal hold is a nightmare and it hinders you from scaling your business to the next level. Don't worry, after making multiple 6 and 7 figures e-commerce stores and getting multiple PayPal holds, in this video, I will show you 5 proven methods to avoid PayPal holds.
Tip number 1, upload tracking code fast.
Always upload your tracking number on time. PayPal values transparency, and if you don't put your tracking code on PayPal, it means that they might think that you are a scam. And to automate this process, you can use an app called TrackPal, which it automatically syncs your tracking number from your Shopify store to your PayPal account.
Tip number 2, verify business info.
In your PayPal account, make sure to go to account settings and fill in all the business information such as your business address, your business email address, your phone number, and also your tax ID. And although it is not necessary to have an LLC, it is very important to apply one in order for PayPal to see you as a legit seller.
Tip number 3, don't scale too fast.
If your ecom brand is brand new and suddenly, for example, you get a 20K sales in a day, PayPal is gonna freak out and there's a high likely chance that PayPal frees your money. So always remember, when using PayPal, scale slowly. If you're scaling very fast, they will freeze your money for sure. And if you really want to scale your business very fast, make sure before doing so, give PayPal a call and message them.
Tip number 4, keep dispute rate low.
This is probably the most important thing. If a lot of customers are opening disputes cases, then PayPal will see you as a very risky seller. And the best way to prevent any dispute cases from PayPal, make sure to reply to your customers very fast and also sell good quality products. And if you ever get any kind of dispute cases on your PayPal account, make sure to reply them within 24 hours.
Tip 5, leave a small percentage in PayPal balance.
Never take out all your balance from PayPal money all at once. This can really trigger PayPal. It's always good to have 5 to 10% of your revenue inside the PayPal balance. So for example, if you ever get a chargeback, PayPal can deduct from the balance directly. By implementing all of these 5 tips, PayPal will see you as a legit and reliable seller. Now you have all the tools to prevent PayPal holds. Now go try it yourself. If you have any questions with PayPal or you want to get your money back from PayPal, visit our website www.releaseyoecom.com.